How to make video pages in Squarespace. So in order to do that, you first need to head over right here into your actual Squarespace dashboard. From in there, you can see your left sidebar. Click onto this website right here. From in there, click onto this pages. And you can see in here all of the page that you have. Now let's create a video page. Just click on this plus icon right here. Then from in there, you can see these videos. Click on that. And you can choose in here some templates that you can actually utilize. You have in here these two templates that you can choose from. I'll choose in here this one. And after that, the video page will be added right here. Let's rename that into just video. And here it is right there. We have in here our videos available right there. We can just add this video or change the actual content based on this one. You can see it right here under the all videos. You can change or add some more videos into this part as well. So that's how you make video pages in Squarespace. Hope we helped.